Do your users have trouble finding information on your internet? Do you struggle with providing an employee directory that is easy to use? If only there was a way to help your users be more productive. Microsoft Search allows you to accomplish all this and more. Come learn all the awesome features that are coming to Office 365 that you can take advantage of. On Tuesday, April 30th, Ryan Schouten will be delivering a half-day workshop at 9 a.m. as part of SharePoint Fest DC. WRK 502 Microsoft Search in depth.